there is a way to make money on YouTube without being monetized. In this world of YouTube, this huge world, there is a tiny creator called Alex, and he is on a journey to getting more money on YouTube. He just goes to high school. He's a sophomore. In his spare time, he works in McDonald's. His family is not very well off. He wants to get more money. He would like to buy a new car. He would like to get his mum gifts. He would like to go on a dream holiday. He would like to have a house of his own that he owns. He would like to have a business. He would like to have money. He would like to have a better life, but he doesn't. He's facing a lot of hardship. He's struggling in life. He goes online and he sees that all of these YouTubers are earning thousands of dollars a month. $10,000, $20,000, some even getting $100,000. That is literally somebody's entire salary, and they are getting this. So now he gets these ideas in his head. He wants to create something on YouTube, so he doesn't give up. He thinks, what can I do? What am I interested in? I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. Then he starts to make one, but then he uploads his video and reality does set in straight away. He's only getting 1 or 2 views per video. So after recording and editing, making the thumbnail, doing all of that hard work for hours and hours every day for like 3 months, he was uploading videos. Now he has 50 videos on his channel and he's struggling. He's not making any money. He's not even monetized. How can he make money on YouTube? That is literally what he is there for. He's trying to create a second source of income. Even though he works his part-time job, he wants to get money from that. So how can he make more money? There are 2 ways he can do this. The 2 ways I'll explain in this video, so make sure you watch till the end to find out what happens to Alex. So he decides to create even more videos and more videos. And what he does, the first tip that I will provide is that he takes advantage of an affiliate program. You can get money via affiliates. Affiliate program is when a company pays you for getting sales towards their website. Say for example, Amazon affiliate program, you can sign up to it, you give them your details and everything, and they give you a small percentage, and they give you a little link. That link you can put into your descriptions of your videos. If somebody clicks on that link and buys the product, or even if they don't even buy the product, you still get paid something. Say for example, they buy $100 item from Amazon using your link that they clicked on that was in your video. You get a percentage of that $100. You get like 5%, 7% of that product. So you can easily do the math. Let's say 100 people buy that. That's 100 times $7. That's $700. Your channel is not even monetized on YouTube. You're not getting money from the monetization, the ad revenues, partner program system that you have. You're not making money from the ads. You're making money from the affiliate program. So that is what Alex did. He signed up to Amazon's affiliate program. He kept uploading more videos. One of his videos got 10,000 views. After those 10,000 people watched the video, some of them ended up actually clicking on the links. Some of them didn't even buy the product that he was posting, but they used the link to buy something else. They bought some high ticket items that were even more than $100 that I mentioned earlier as an example. So he actually made quite a lot of money from that. His channel is making around 10,000 views per video, and every month he posts around 10 videos. So every month he's getting around, let's just say around 100,000 views, or let's decrease it because he's a small YouTuber. Let's just say he got around 75,000 views per month. So from those views, some people are buying his products. So now he's actually making money from that. If 50 people buy his product, so now from his affiliate links, he's making $1,250. All of his friends that were asking him to get a part-time job, they were making fun of him. He was feeling depressed about that. He was not making any money after months and months of effort. So he started making money from affiliates. This was a turning point for him. He doubled down on the affiliates. He started linking even more affiliate program items in his descriptions, and this actually worked for him. He actually reached $2,000 per month from this. A lot of other YouTubers are actually doing this. It's not just him. Here are some pictures of some YouTubers that are doing this. Casey Neistat, he has an affiliate link for NordVPN in this picture here, and I'm sure he does a lot more for his camera equipment. If people buy from Amazon using these links, then he gets a commission from that. He gets something. And here is Marlene Estelle, who is another big YouTuber, and she has some Amazon links in her description. She actually has her own Amazon store, and she sells these other products. Some of them are affiliates and some of them are others. So this is something that Alex used. Another thing that Alex used, Alex's channel was about self-improvement. So he created a self-improvement course. Yes, that's right. The second tip that I was going to provide in this video is courses. You can sell courses without being monetized on YouTube. If your audience is very niche, just like Alex's, they are super focused audience. They are not just his niche is not just random entertainment. His niche is a very concentrated audience with a certain problem that he can solve. So what he did was he created a course for them. He put that in his description. He made it on another website. He put it on there. People clicked on it and they bought his course. Let's just decrease the price of his course a bit. Let's say it's $50 for all of the videos in that course. This is not YouTube. This is the website that he made. So people pay $50 for that, and he's making a lot of money from that. Let's say 200 people buy it a month. Let's do the calculations here. 200 times 50. Let's do the calculations here. 200 times 50, that is $10,000 per month from his course that he sold. So what I am saying is selling a course is very, very lucrative. In fact, ad revenue is just a small percentage of what some YouTubers make. Let's look at Colin and Samir's channel. You can see how many views they get a month. So every month they're getting around 5,000 to 6,000, 8,000. They're getting around $7,000, $8,000 per month from ad revenue, and they said in their video that they are only getting around 10% of their entire income is from ad revenue. So they must be making way more from all these other streams of income. So don't just rely on ad revenue, because ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg. You can take advantage of these other methods, and you don't even need to be monetized for these other methods. Don't just rely on YouTube. You need to diversify the income. And don't forget, some videos can even get demonetized. So Alex sold his course. It's easy for him to sell these digital products to his audience because they are interested in that specific niche that he is in, which is one part of self-improvement. Let's look at Ali Abdal, who is a big YouTuber. He is selling $60,000 to $65,000 per month using his Skillshare course, and that is entirely passive. He made it some years ago, and now he doesn't actually do any work on there. So this is something that Alex can use as well. That is literally a huge income per month. And this video was actually made a long time ago. So I'm sure Ali Abdal makes even more now from that. So the moral of the story is Alex managed to create a good source of income even though he had only less than 1,000 subscribers. He made revenue using affiliate links in his description, and he sold his course, which is a digital product. He doesn't even need to ship it. He doesn't need to take care of customer service and returns on any of that, because people just buy it and that's it. They just buy it. It's completely digital. It's a simple course. It's very easy for him to make. He made it literally in 1 week, and that was it. He sold that on his website. So this is what you can use to generate income using YouTube without being monetized, without reaching the monetization limit, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your videos. I hope that has been helpful for you, and I'll see you guys next time.